People, magandang hapon. Ayan guys. Marang guys, marang. Yan oh. Galing sa Davao to, dala ng pinsan ko. Marang. Dinalan talaga ako para daw makakain ako ulit ng marang. Yummy yummy to guys. Ang bango. Ang bango nito guys. Diba guys, nakarating na sa atin dito yung Davao. Yan guys, anin natin yung marang. I-ano natin yung marang. Durian pala, durian. Guys, akala ko marang, durian pala. Ayan guys, ito na yung durian guys. Ayan guys, durian yan. Ito guys oh. Wow. Amazing guys. Yummy yummy to guys. Ayan na guys. Oh, di ba? Wow. Yan na guys yung ating durian guys. Yummy yummy to guys. Oh. Wow. Yummy. Kain tayo guys. So ayan guys. Yung durian. O yan guys. Masarap. Talaga naman parang may gatas guys. Pag bago ka lang nito kumain parang ayaw mo. Pero pag once na makatikim ka na nito, sobrang sarap guys. Baka sabihin mo pa, nako napakasarap pala nito. Ba guys? Durian kayo dyan guys. Yummy yummy durian. Yummy yummy. Yummy yan guys. Ito. Wow. Ulok na guys. Yummy guys.
Pautang pusuri.
Ayan guys. So ayan guys ang durian from Davao City. Durian guys. Yummy yummy guys, durian. Durian tayo dyan. Very yummy guys from Davao City. So ayan guys. Galab shout out. Please like and share. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Edski Vlog. The One Vlog. The One Mix Vlog TV 2.0 guys. The One Mix Vlog TV 2.0. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Yes guys. Yan guys oh. Durian. Ang durian bao.
Ah, 48. 40. Tapos 7, 8. 40.
Ayan guys. Hindi pa guys. Dorian. Bukas natira na ako ng ng yung yung isa yung marang. Sa durian to guys. Pag bago ka lang kasi nito kumain guys, parang siyempre sa amoy maninibago ka, pero kung panay kumakain ka na nito guys, ang sarap niya, parang siya, parang ang lasa niya parang may gatas siya, may gatas siya ang lasa niya. Ito yung talaga, ito yung tamang kasi hinog na masarap na. So ayan guys, thank you so much sa inyong pagsama sa aking video. Please like and share, please follow my YouTube channel. Bye bye guys for today's videos. Dorian, and bye bye.